In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get working Clubhouse Golf discount voucher codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Clubhouse Golf discount voucher codes. Right here, go to this website, which is called Coupon Boards right here. And as you can see, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 20% of discount, all I have to do is select get code right here, and this is the discount code that I can copy and apply it on my next purchase in order to get this 20% of discount. Also, going back to our main search on Google right here, we have this website which is called Knoji. Open it, and right here we also have some different promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 20% off discount, you can simply select show codes right here, and this is the discount code. You can copy it from right here and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.